Welcome to our YouTube channel, Best Places to See. Are you planning to visit this city? Before finalizing your tour plan, I suggest you to watch this complete video. In this video, we have listed the best places to go and best things to do in this city. This will help to manage your travel wisely. For more information, you can log on to our website, that is travelshastra.com. This one is my best out of the list. If you have a better listing of best things to do in this city, please do write us in the comment area. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, click on like button. Please check out our latest video uploaded for you and a video that you may like. Once again, please subscribe our YouTube channel.